how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So if you want to get Meta AI on WhatsApp, then first you need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, you need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, scroll all the way down, tap on About Phone, and here you can go for software information, and then you need to simply update your system. So tap on Security System Update or Android Security Update, and once it loads, now you can simply update your system if you have any system. So for now I have already installed the Android 14, so I don't have any updates right now. So if you have an update, go for update and update your application, and once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then open up your Play Store, go for the search for WhatsApp. Once you've searched, if you have an update option instead of this open option, tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. And once you've updated, now you need to simply restart your device or reboot your device. You need to simply tap and hold on to that power button, and here you will get restart option. Tap on restart and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can get Meta AI on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.